How do you hide your TikTok account or make your TikTok videos private? TikTok might be shut down or banned anytime. Maybe you don't want random people seeing your videos, just friends and family. Or you just use TikTok to watch videos, not to post, and don't want your profile to be seen. It's really easy. Here's how to hide your TikTok account from other people in 6 steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad or Android phone. Step 2. Now tap on the profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap the hamburger menu icon at the top right-hand side of your profile screen. A menu will pop up. Step 4. On this menu, we need to click on Settings and Privacy, or Privacy. Step 5. In this account section, at the top there's a button called Privacy, or Privacy. Let's tap on that. Step 6. There are lots of options here for how to restrict and stop things like comments and mentions. You might want to change some of these, but the button we want is at the top here, Private Account. If we click on this button, it toggles on and off. Going forward, only users you approve can follow you and watch your TikTok videos. Your existing followers will not be affected and can still see what you post. If you turn it off, anyone can follow you and see your public posts. Congratulations! If this is working for you, let me know down in the comments section, and thanks for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going, so thank you. And right here are all the TikTok tips you might need to get ready in case the TikTok app is banned or shuts down.